diving into the 2025 GMC Vintage Pickup, a truck that combines classic design with modern performance and features. Whether you're a fan of vintage-inspired vehicles or looking for a solid workhorse with the latest tech, the 2025 GMC Vintage Pickup has something to offer. Let's break down everything from its exterior and interior to pricing, safety, and performance. First off, the exterior design of the 2025 GMC Vintage Pickup is a stunning blend of retro and modern styling. It retains the classic charm of the vintage trucks from the past with a bold grille, chrome accents, and sleek lines that give it a timeless yet contemporary appeal. The body is robust and sturdy, with muscular fenders, wide wheel arches, and a sculpted tailgate that adds to its rugged character. GMC has added LED lighting all around, giving it a fresh, stylish look while keeping the heritage-inspired shape that enthusiasts love. The truck's size is substantial, making a strong road presence wherever it goes, and it's built with durable materials, ensuring it's ready for tough tasks. On the inside, the 2025 GMC Vintage Pickup embraces a luxurious, yet functional cabin. The seats are made from high-quality materials like leather and durable fabrics, ensuring comfort whether you're on a long drive or heading to the job site. The dashboard has a nostalgic touch with retro-inspired dials and switches, but don't let that fool you. The tech here is fully modern. A large touchscreen infotainment system is seamlessly integrated into the center console, featuring advanced connectivity options like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a navigation system that's easy to use. You'll also find a premium audio system, USB ports, and a range of driver assistance features, making this truck feel both classic and cutting edge at the same time. The interior is spacious with plenty of room for both the driver and passengers, and the cargo area is large enough to handle heavy-duty hauling. When it comes to pricing, the 2025 GMC Vintage Pickup falls within a competitive range for full-size pickups. Expect the base model to start at around $45,000, with higher trims pushing upwards to $65,000 depending on the additional features and configurations. The price reflects the blend of vintage design, modern technology, and the level of craftsmanship that GMC has put into this vehicle. In terms of safety, GMC has not skimped on features. The 2025 Vintage Pickup comes equipped with a variety of advanced safety technologies to keep both the driver and passengers safe. Features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, and rear-view cameras. The truck also includes a sturdy frame and robust crash protection, ensuring that it's as safe as it is stylish. GMC has also incorporated enhanced driver awareness systems, which make driving more intuitive and secure, especially for those new to larger vehicles. Performance is where the 2025 GMC Vintage Pickup truly shines. It offers a range of engine options, including a turbocharged 4-cylinder for those seeking fuel efficiency, and a powerful V8 for those who need extra towing capacity. The pickup is equipped with an all-wheel drive system that makes it versatile enough for off-road adventures, while maintaining a smooth and responsive driving experience on highways. The suspension is finely tuned to provide a comfortable ride, while maintaining the stability needed when carrying heavy loads. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 pounds, this truck can handle both light and heavy-duty tasks with ease. Overall, the 2025 GMC Vintage Pickup is a perfect blend of past and present. It brings back the charm of classic pickups with the reliability and convenience of modern technology and performance. With a range of trims, excellent safety features, and a price that reflects its quality, this truck is an exciting option for anyone looking for a vintage-style pickup with modern-day practicality. Whether you're using it for work or as a weekend cruiser, it's a truck that delivers on all fronts.